This is a basic orientation video of to-dos. If you head to the to-dos tab on the top of the page, you'll then be presented with 3 tabs. On the active tab, you have all of your active to-dos. On the future tab, you have all to-dos with a set date for a future date. And on the past tab, you have all of your to-dos where the due date has ended. You can filter your to-dos. You can filter by year group, by class, and by schedule. If you filter by class, you can then filter by individual pupils. If you select a specific pupil, you will then only see the work for that pupil. If we go back to the list and clear our selection, you can also search by date. So you can select a date from the calendar to search by. You can also use the search bar on the top of the page. You can search by the name of the to-do, and you can also search by the tags that you've added to the to-do. So if we, for example, search for history, only the to-dos with the history tag appear. This has been a video on the basic orientation of to-dos. If you have any questions or you need any further support, please contact support@twosimple.com.